Today we are going to discuss the chapter India's Heroes, and this chapter is based on several newspaper reports. Different people react differently when faced with danger. The terrorist attack on the unsuspecting people of Mumbai on 26 November 2008 threw up several brave hearts. So in this chapter we are going to discuss about several brave people who have given their lives in order to save the lives of other people. The students fidgeted and shifted in their seats as Mrs. Rita Barua entered the classroom. She gave them a few seconds to settle down, but an air of thrill and enthusiasm prevailed. Let us begin our lesson for today. She addressed an eager class 8A. How many of you are ready with your speeches on what would you like to be when you grow up? So the class is 8th. The teacher, she entered inside the class. The class was very much enthusiastic. The teacher asked them, said, let's begin with our today's lesson. I hope you people have prepared the assignment which I have given to you. All 40 hands went up in unison. Mrs. Barua beamed. Clearly this assignment had not been a drudge. Wonderful, Mrs. Barua said. Remember that it does not have to be a profession. You can also speak of someone whom you want to be like, maybe a role model or a mentor, who may even talk of particular trait or quality that you admire in a person and wish to emulate. So what the assignment was? The assignment was about that what the student want to be when they grow up. So the teacher, she cleared all the key points that you people are going to speak about the people you admire and you want to imbibe their qualities in yourself. You want to be like that person. She cleared that it is not like the profession you are going to choose when you are going to grow up. I'm talking about the quality which you want that should grow along with you. A crackle of sheets was heard, and the student hurriedly arranged the pages on which they had written their assignment. They were eager to speak in front of their classmates. So when they heard the announcement of the teacher, the students, they hurriedly revised their assignments because they are just ready to express their views in front of their classmates. All the students were very much excited. It was Ajit Basu's turn first. He spoke up how he wanted to become the best cricketer in the world. Sachin Tendulkar was his idol. So first of all, Ajit Basu came and he discussed Sachin Tendulkar and the cricket because he was a big fan of cricket and he wanted to be a cricketer. He was followed by Gayatri Chhabra, who said that she wanted to be a social worker like her mother. Second student who came there was Gayatri Chhabra. She said she wanted to be a social worker like her mother and she wanted to help the needy people. Then Sanjay Damle elaborated on the thrill of flying airplane with the air and the clouds as his terror. Then came the Sanjay Damle. Sanjay Damle, he explained that he liked airplanes very much and in future he would pursue the same thing. The class listened in rapt attention as one by one the children spoke about actors, sports stars and politicians and so on. So different students, they had shared their views on different people, what they want to be when they grow up. Several people discuss about actors, some discuss about sports stars and some about politicians and many more.